Story time. What story will you listen to today? Grandma.
Today I am going to tell you guys about Leo and the time-traveling tree. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there lived a curious boy named Leo. Leo loved exploring his backyard, where he imagined finding hidden treasures and going on grand adventures. One sunny afternoon, while wandering deeper into the woods behind his house, Leo stumbled upon a magnificent old tree. Its gnarled branches twisted and turned, and its bark shimmered with a strange glow. Intrigued, Leo reached out and touched the trunk. Suddenly, a whirlwind of colors surrounded him, and he felt a gentle tug. In the blink of an eye, he was transported to a vibrant land filled with golden sands and tall pyramids. Leo looked around in awe. He had arrived in ancient Egypt. Just then, he spotted a young pharaoh named Tia, looking worried. "Oh, Leo! I need your help," she exclaimed. "A tricky riddle has hidden our kingdom's treasure, and only someone clever can solve it." Together, Leo and Tia approached the riddle inscribed on a golden tablet. After thinking hard, Leo figured it out. "The answer is time," he shouted. The treasure chest opened, revealing beautiful jewels and golden artifacts. Tia thanked Leo and said, "You've saved my kingdom. You are truly brave." With a wave, Leo touched the tree again, and once more, he was surrounded by colors. When the colors faded, Leo found himself in a lush, prehistoric jungle. Roars echoed around him, and he soon spotted a friendly dinosaur named Dino, who looked scared and lost. "Help! I need to find my family," Dino cried. Leo and Dino ventured through the jungle, dodging bigger dinosaurs and overcoming challenges. They finally found Dino's family near a sparkling river. The reunion was joyous. Dino thanked Leo, saying, "You showed me what true friendship is." Leo smiled and waved goodbye, then touched the tree once more. Next, Leo landed in a bustling medieval village, where knights prepared for a grand tournament. Leo met Sir Cedric, a brave knight who was worried about his chances of winning. "I need a friend to help me practice," he said. Leo joined Sir Cedric, cheering him on as they trained together. On the day of the tournament, Leo encouraged Sir Cedric to be brave and fair. With Leo's support, Sir Cedric won the tournament. "Thank you, Leo. You taught me that courage comes from within and with friends by your side," said Sir Cedric as he lifted the trophy high. The final swirl of colors brought Leo to a futuristic city filled with flying cars and glowing buildings. He met a tech-savvy girl named Zoe, who was busy inventing gadgets to help the environment. "We need to clean the air and save our planet," Zoe explained. Together, they worked on an amazing invention that could purify the air. With teamwork and creativity, they succeeded. The people of the city cheered, grateful for their efforts. Zoe said, "You've shown me the power of teamwork and taking care of our world." With his heart full of joy and wisdom from his adventures, Leo touched the tree one last time. In a flash, he was back in his backyard, the sun setting beautifully. He looked at the old tree and smiled, knowing he had made new friends and learned important lessons. With his heart full of joy and wisdom from his adventures, Leo touched the tree one last time. In a flash, he was back in his backyard, the sun setting beautifully. He looked at the old tree and smiled, knowing he had made new friends and learned important lessons. From that day on, Leo not only explored his backyard but also shared the stories of his adventures with everyone in town, inspiring them to be curious, brave, and kind. And every now and then, he would visit the magical tree, hoping for another adventure.
We are a team, Grandmaya. We are also friend and always happy.
Subscribe to my channel.